Looking to elevate your marketing strategy, discover how to create sign QR codes in Canva that not only catch the eye but also drive engagement. With just a few easy steps, you can design the codes that reflect your brand's identity and make it easier for customers to connect with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out. Let's get creative and transform your approach to marketing today. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can create QR codes on Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com and you will find this page. So once you do that, you'll have just to create your account firstly, or you can also just log in, and here we have my account. I will just click over home and I will find this page as you can see. So here we have it. To start to design, I'll just to click over create design. But before, let's know what is QR codes and how you can QR codes help us. So QR codes are a game changer for connecting your audience to digital content, and Canva makes creating them effortless. With a variety of customizable templates, you can design a cutting QR codes that match your brand's style. Whether for marketing materials or social media, these codes can boost engagement and drive traffic. Get creative with Canva and turn your QR codes into a powerful marketing tool. So let's come back to the top. So right now we have here home, project, templates, brand and apps. I will just click over create a design like that, and then I will just go here. For example, we have here, so I will go to the custom size like that, and I will select, for example, here my height and width also, and the image style we want. For example, I will select here 9 and also here 9, and then I will click over in. I will select again 9, and then I will click over create new design. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. Firstly, you have to choose the template that you want. For example, I will just select here play of the game basketball. So I will select, for example, choose basketball. As you can see, we have here this. For example, I will select this one, or I will select this one, it's better. Then I will just go to the apps here, and I will click over the apps as you can see. So I will just click over search and dive here, search Canva apps. For example, I will write QR code. So as you can see, we have here the QR code. I will click over it. So add URL and we will create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So we have here we need there's URL. So how you can do that? You have just to go to Yandex or other platform that provide this photos. So I will select, for example, this one. And then I will click over share and I will copy the link like that. So the link is copied. Right now I will just come back here and I will paste it, as you can see. Then here we have the code. You can firstly customize the background, the foreground color, and we have the margin here. Then I will click over generate code, and here we have the code, as you can see. I'll put it here like that. I'll just modify it here. This one I will delete it. Then I will just put only basketball here. Well, I will just put it in the top here, and also I will add this one. Or I will just put it also here, and the QR code I will put it here. For example, I'll put it here like that. So as you can see, here we have our QR code of our shows basketball. Also, I will add here, I will just go to the text and I will add a heading, for example, or I will add only the subheading. This one I will delete it. I will add only a subheading and I will write, for example, here shoes. Just select that is choose. So right now let's come back here And let's just click over presentation. I will show you how you can design or how you can show your QR code. I'll show you how. So you have just to choose the design that you want. For example, I will just choose, I will choose this one. Then I will choose, for example, this one or this one. So it's better to choose this one. And then I will click over share. So here we have share design. People would access. Right now, I will just here click over public view link. And here we have quite a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. No sign in required. And I will just click over create link with watermarks. And then I will copy the link. And then if you just go to the simply open your browser and just paste the link, you will find your design like that, as you can see. So this is it. So right now I will show you how you can create your own QR code. You have just to click over create a design, and you did the same steps, and you click over create new design, and then you have just to find this page, and you will just go to the apps and you search for QR code, and then I will click over enter. Once you're there, you will find this. I will just click over it, QR code, and I'll paste my link here and dual. Then I will click over generate code, and here we have our own QR code, as you can see. So right now I will just click over share, and I will just select here anyone with the link. So here we have only you can access the design using the link. Here we have anyone can access the design using this link. I'll click over this one, and I will click over copy the link, and I will share it with my friends, as you can see. Here we have also here if you want to download, and also public view here, and we have here see all. We have copy of public view link, and here we have present, template link, present and record, save to folder, send to phone, and embed. So you can just get started as soon as possible, because it's very helpful to start with Canva and start creating your QR code, and then share it with people, and you will earn money with that after. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video, and have a fantastic day ahead.